Hey guys, it's Wednesday. 2 shifts down, 2 to go. I have to work back shift tonight, but I thought I'd start my weekly vlog here because I'm gonna go for a walk with Chip, go for a longer walk by myself before it gets too hot out, and then I have to bake a cake. So I'm gonna take you along with me for the day. Okay, so it's a little bit later now. Cakes are all cooled. I have my cakes ready to decorate tomorrow, all ready to go, and my butter is out softening. I had some extra vanilla batter. I have some plans for this cake later in the week as well. It's 1:15, so tonight I work 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. Around 1 o'clock, I like to go lay in bed if I don't have anything on the go and just try to sleep. I'll probably scroll on my phone for a bit, but try to get like at least an hour or 2 hours of sleep. Sometimes I can sleep for a few hours, but in case I do sleep for a few hours, I have an alarm set for 5 o'clock because I'll have to leave here at 5:30. I have my lunch packed already in the fridge, and I'm gonna set my clothes out before I get into bed. So hopefully I can have a little bit of a rest, even if I don't sleep, just lay down for a little bit. And then I'm gonna head to work later, so I'll check in later on. Hey guys, it's Friday, July 29th. I'm just on the way to deliver a cake. It's a wedding cake for tomorrow. The bride requested I deliver it today because they're going to their destination today. She was fine with family taking it to the destination because it's only a 1-tier cake. I think their wedding is in Bedeck, and I could have delivered that, but for a 1-tier cake that doesn't need much setup, the florist is going to just add the flowers. It would be silly for them to pay me for delivery. So I'm dropping it off to the bride's parents' house. I didn't film it at all decorating it because it's the exact same wedding cake that I've been making for everybody. It's the exact same cake that I've been making for most people. Everybody is going for like very chill, casual wedding cake. I'll insert a couple pictures here and here and here of ones I've done in the past with the same like pattern along the side. Originally, she was going to pick it up from me at 6 this morning when I got off of work, but I didn't end up going to work last night because I woke up yesterday after working back shift the night before with a migraine headache. Like, couldn't see properly, blurry vision, everything. So I had to call off work. And I still do have like a tinge of a headache right now, but I can actually see and function, so everything's fine. Everything's fine now, but it just sucked that I had to call off work last night. And then later on today, I am actually taking pictures for my friend's family, their grandchildren. So I can't post those on here, but I'm trying to get more into taking pictures. I did take a small photography course, and I do take like family and friends photos, and I might be trying to get into like taking pictures for other people. Not like bridal or anything, because that sounds scary. Little casual photo sessions here and there. Hey guys, it's Saturday. I didn't vlog yesterday after I went to deliver the cake. I got wrapped up and forgot that I was vlogging, but my friend Jenna's family wanted some pictures taken, and I took some pictures of the grandkids of the family and the grandmother. It was really cute. So that was fun. Did that for about an hour, came home and edited for an hour, went to visit my mom and dad. Then after that, I picked Seamus back up, and Seamus, Chip, and I went to get an ice cream, and then we came back. It was no joke 8:30, and we were all in for the night. Lights out, we were all in bed. That was yesterday, and now today I'm gonna try to be extra productive. I already took Chip for a walk. We did get a little bit of a late start. It's 10 o'clock now. I've only taken Chip for a walk and gotten my workout clothes on. But I've cleaned the house. I've cleaned the kitchen and done the dishes, vacuumed, wiped everything down, and now I'm measuring out my ingredients for red velvet cake. What I plan on doing is measuring out the dry ingredients for this cake, or all of the ingredients for this cake, and then set them aside, and then I'm gonna go for an hour walk, and then when I get back, I'll throw it in the oven. And once it's cooling, I'll get in the shower and then get on with my day. But I just wanted to go for a walk this morning, because if I don't work out this morning, I'm not gonna work out later. And I don't feel like going to the gym, so I'm gonna go for an hour-long walk instead. It's Sunday. I showed you guys yesterday that I was baking that red velvet cake. After I finished baking the cake and it cooled and everything, Seamus and I went into Sydney and we went to a restaurant called 7 by 7. We've never been there before. We thought it was really good, actually. I'll insert some video here, but we got these matzo sticks and they were massive and really good. So highly recommend that place if you guys live in the Sydney area. And then we just got, I got like a chicken burger and Seamus got a regular burger. And then when I got home, Seamus took a nap and I went over my mom's. My bridal shower is next weekend and we are doing some prizes for that. So mom had a lot of stuff at her house for prizes, so I took over some gift bags and did up the prizes. And then we just talked about some wedding stuff. And yeah, so once I came home, I watched a little bit of YouTube and then I went to bed pretty early. So Seamus is just out with Chip now, and I am going to go for another long walk. I've been liking these long walks instead of going to the gym, just because I enjoy going for an hour-long walk outside rather than walking on a treadmill. Yesterday I did between 5 and 6 kilometers, and same with the day before, so I'm gonna try to do around 6 kilometers today. Don't judge the way I'm braiding my hair. I don't really know what I'm doing. So my plans today are to go for my walk, come back and decorate that cake. I may try to DIY our wedding sign, like our wedding welcome sign. I bought this big piece of acrylic on Amazon. I'll insert a picture here of what I kind of am looking to do. I bought the paint pens and the navy paint, so I'm gonna try to do something like this. I've just learned how to braid my hair like this. I think it's called a Dutch braid or inverted braid. I feel like I've been doing my hair like this every freaking day. It's just easy to stay out of my face. I'll put my ball hat on. I don't know if you can see it. Hey guys, I'm just sitting down at my desk and I'm getting ready to edit this vlog. I didn't film much yesterday. I was pretty busy doing stuff around the house and decorating that cake, as you saw in the last few clips. And then I did my little DIY welcome sign. I ordered like an acrylic sheet from Amazon, like a plastic plexiglass acrylic thing, and did like a DIY wedding sign with that. I'll insert a picture here how I did it. So like I kind of printed off the words and put them in behind the acrylic, and then used a little silver marker, paint marker thing that I found online, and kind of traced over the words. And then when I took the paper off the back, I painted navy over the back, and I did a few coats, and I'll insert a picture of the finished product here, and I think it turned out pretty good. I go back to work tomorrow, and we're going out for supper with our friends and the little girl tonight, so I'm going to try to get this video uploaded so I can post it. And yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, scroll down to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos from me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.